driving along home from work, you know, just driving along, and then all of a sudden I hear kabam, and I was like, what the fuck was that? Let me show you what the fuck that was. God damn. Oh my god. It folded that bitch in so hard. What the fuck, dude? Oh my god. Okay, well. The part is the indention that the mirror left on the glass when it folded in so viciously. It broke.
It's very pretty, the shattered glass. Shattered glass. Art.
What do you think, babe?
I think that it's fucked.
I think it's broken.
So now I have to go see if I can find a mirror for my car. It looks like we're in luck. I found a Prius out here in the Junkyard. Dude, I think junkyards are so cool. I made a video about coming here once before, but junkyards are so cool. Artistic. And look, here she is. Perfectly good mirror right there. I'm hoping this tool's gonna work. It's the right, yeah, the right shape. This guy said it'd be $75 for the mirror when I could get one for $50 off Amazon, but the one on Amazon is aftermarket, of course. It's been $75 to get a mirror for my car. We're just gonna zip tie it back on there and call it a day. So we're just going to with a bunch of zip ties, and I think it's gonna work. Now for the mirror, I think. Oh, it actually clips. Okay, well. So we can clip this bitch back in. Somehow it clips in there.
And I popped the mirror. Shit.
Alright, well.
We'll just unplug that and we'll go to AutoZone or something and find like a different mirror. Because for now it's on there. Just gonna cut it.
All the things